Well, g'day everyone, welcome back to Heroes Model Bench. So as you can see, I've got a box, big box from a, don't know where it's from Outlaw Paints, Jason Bailey, blah 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 blah, South Gladstone, Queensland. So, I'm going to open this box up right now. I have no idea what's in it. Obviously I've got a fair idea what's in it, but not a 100%, because he did say I'm going to really enjoy it. Didn't say I was going to cry, which is a good thing. So, let's open this box, and of course he's got all this bloody stuff in it. So, okay, there, I know what's in front of it. Okay, so I'm just going to put this box down on the floor, and I'll grab all this stuff out, eh? So, oh. Oh, Jason. Alright, so the first package I'm going to open, the first part of this package, is a 1929 Ford pickup from Monochrome. So, I'm just going to have a quick look inside. I'll do a proper unboxing later. Wow. Clear parts, it's got aluminium parts, tyres, all sorts of good gear. So we'll put that one away. We'll do a proper unboxing of that. Skill level 2, Jason's being a bit kind to me there. No, I'm really only about skill level 1. That's alright. Can only but learn. And here we go. 32 Ford Roadster Street Rod. Again, skill level 2. Let's have a quick look. Again, I'll do another unboxing of this. I'll do the unboxings together. Rubber tyre, body, everything. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy doing this. Thanks, Jace. This is for my 24-hour build. So I've got some decals. So, yep, it's going to be fun doing that one. Haven't done a car before. I've done a tank and ships and planes. Never a car. Okay, so now what have we got in here? Oh shit. Holy hell, Jason. Okay, so here we are, welcome back. So I haven't really done a setup as such, but I'll just look at the paints. So I've got Outlaw Paints, let me just put my glasses on so I can see what I'm talking about. Outlaw Paints, chassis black, semi-gloss. So that'd be good. I'll be using that on one of the cars. Seriously, you can't really see it there. I suppose you can. You can see the clarity up to about, I don't know, up to about there. Then the rest is just pigment. Just shake it up. You can't see any clarity through that now. That is such a great product, people. Outlaw Paints to www.outlawpaints.com.au. Then I've got the Ferrari Rosso Angelo, Rosso being red. This is one I really want. It's just covered in the white, but this is like a metallic red. That's going to be really nice on my car. So you can actually see that on the bottle. You can't see it on the bottle, but you can actually see the metallic on the bottle there. Beautiful. Got a satin clear and a flat clear. So the flat clear will be going on the hull of the ASLAV. I've got a jet black, which I like. I do like black colour. I have a new one. Outlaw Paints electroplated black. Not 100% sure. I'll have to talk to Jace about that. But it looks like it's got a new label on it. A new label. Old label. It's actually a smaller bottle. So, what else have I got here? I've got a huge bottle of grey primer. This stuff is, I think, on a par, if not better, than Mr. Surfacer as a primer. I've got the black primer. I also have the motorbike fork gold. So that means I'm going to have to get a motorbike now. So I can do their forks gold. But that looks fairly metallic as well. Gunmetal effect. So that'd be sort of like a gunmetal grey, which would be good on the turpits. You can see on the bottom, it's got a good silver colour to it. We've got Outlaw Paints Team X-Star Blue, which again is metallic. Shit, I love this. There, you can, if you can see this properly, this thing is filled to about there with pigment. The rest is just thinner. Wow, that colour is such a vivid blue. It's absolutely stunning. That might actually go onto my 29 Ford pickup. I mean, look at that. Look at that blue. It's metallic, absolutely stunning. Well, as I said a long time ago, and Pete will remember this, it's a striking colour. Then I've got a Ford engine dark blue, so I suppose that goes on the engine. So it's just a dark blue. Then I have the Ford engine light blue, which is just a light blue. Then just a normal black. Then a McLaren Movine blue, so it's a mauve, so purple. Yeah, love that. So it's a toss-up between the Ferrari red and that for my Roadster. And then something special is just made up. Him and Braden, for Pete and Pete's Yamato. We have the Outlaw Paints Military Colours IJN Hull Red. So Imperial Japanese Navy Hull Red. So it's more of a brown, which is pretty much what the colour was. And we have the Imperial Japanese Navy Grey, which will be on the hull of the massive warship that Pete's doing. And please go and check out Aussie Scale Modeller to see his Yamato. Absolutely, he's smashing it, Pete. So it's absolutely beautiful. Thanks, Jace. And I've got this 2K Diamond Clear. So it's an exceptionally high quality clear coat with a glass-like finish, and to top it off, it can be sanded and polished within 1 hour. And it contains isocyanates. So I'm going to have to talk to Jace about this because I'm not sure how to use it. But what we've got a Part A clear. So they've got 2 bits of Part A clear, which is just that. And I also have a 2K thinner. That's just that. It's be interesting to smell this actually. Nope, smells like thinner. And then we have the Part B hardener. So the 2K Part B hardener. So yeah, I'm going to have to talk to Jace about how to use that and what I'll use it on. And obviously some icky sticky pipettes that Jason's throwing in. Reminds me I have to make an order from Monique at ickysticky.com.au. Go check her out, or go check out the company I should say. So anyway, Jace, mate, again, appreciative, massive, words can't explain or describe how appreciative I am for that. I really do appreciate it. I know Peter appreciates it. And I know everybody who's used this stuff appreciates it. So we all appreciate you. We all appreciate Braden for starting this awesome company up, the Outlaw Paints. And no, we don't appreciate Pete So anyway, I'll put this video up in the morning. I've just got home from work, so I'm a bit tired. Hopefully I have a couple of days off before I go again. So anyway, I'll talk to you all soon. I'll be back tomorrow to do more of the ASLab. So, you.